And I think if there are true believers out there with Bitcoin, that'll probably happen. So I wouldn't, and I'm speaking ignorantly here, just to be clear, but I just think that there are a lot of true believers, and it's also become a much more accepted asset, especially with the current administration, which has been very favorable to cryptocurrency. So my point is, I think you have a lot of potential risks, and I also think you have a lot of potential things that can stabilize it. But I would be very surprised if the whole Bitcoin Treasury strategy, regardless of what one thinks about Bitcoin as a standalone asset, I would be very surprised if this Bitcoin Treasury strategy is still a thing in any material way in, say, a year or year and a half from now. I could be very wrong, but when I look at strategy, or what we used to be called MicroStrategy, I see this thing kind of breaking down. I could be wrong, and I could be wrong quickly, but it doesn't strike me as at all sustainable. This company is trying to service debt with no income. I mean, they're trying to. They just issued some additional equity, and they're putting that money aside in order to service debt. So this looks like a very unsustainable thing. Just a warning to investors, but again, I could be wrong, and there are probably some true believers who still think Michael Saylor is a genius